Tori inside Tori, one of the senior landlord and the 28th of June 2026. When I come good, na time for Chakara Tori. One time, I carry una will enter for that side for Bali. Choo, a toxic on done it happen for day. That must say, that big man way, now he be district chairman for that side for Bali. Now he be that so choo talks what you say, the pa, he don't quarrel with a name, na pa Babila Moses. He quarrel after we get some small sick so, now way he just enter Songo for inside site for Kwara. The man Kwara now yesterday Saturday when 27th of June for 2026. So now baby cry there for inside sideway party put them for SDF a day for day. They just cry, they cry because they talk which say they repair between the bolo well and it bolo for inside system for transparency for the way all put of that side for Bali where they support SDF. They were glad for glad because of Babila Moses. So one talks with repeat may your soul rest for inside peace a day when you reach you throw we salute for Pani John. Inside don't know the happen for inside pay this man so a name na Tebit Valentine chick na man for side for Barbo put them for this side they don't come out with the family put they don't come out they cry they talk to this part the man there so it gets more shaking and they 45 years old. Talk to say the man he don't lost so talk to they find them ton they know they see so they don't put in number for the talk to any play where you see Mr. Tebit Valentine for the say they beg now for beg say may you call them they run they can't take it because they talk what you say now 2 weeks now they know the see play with the grand frère it did there. Inside thing that happen for inside pay a carry now enter for that side for Boya who enter for great support chuchu. They talk say their chief where a name now his Royal Majesty Etino Monono Emmanuel. He must have been a paramount ruler for great support. The man be Kwara. So as he be Kwara, that way they don't last. Now they don't go dig ground, they put it for inside. They born it for 1950. Then they put it for chair for 1999. That way the part it don't just Kwara, they don't go join side with ancestor them. It did it. So just now, baby, I don't finish. All you don't finish, all man don't go back for inside house. They will continue to live their life. No man. Still for inside Palava Kwara them. Now yesterday way they go dig ground for General Toxic their village. They put it for down. Make it to a go rest. Sabi say the grand friend will call Kwara for some kind of way. No man not understand. Chuchu, it be common begin talk what you say na marital problem make and the grand frère kwara. It be like say the man go choose some guy way no be na his own level or no na his own class or no na guy if you understand it. Now you can make her now no can get some kind of complication of inside relationship it turn into some kind of crazy sick then I will make and with the grand frère kwara according to the chuchu. So one talk what you say make general toxic erase for inside peace it is. Still for inside don't know they happen for inside pays a carry una will enter for that side for Douala will pass body play with village chuchu. It talks say some fire, danger fire born for the years. That say catch for inside some house where no man don't know how way the fire can run electric spark on our way to. But the poor them where they be get this house, they no be there. And they are three picking them, they be there for inside house. That may say their age them now from 3 to 5 years. All the three picking them they quarrel for inside the fire. That say fire burn them turn them into wood and so that plenty credit that side for village for Douala. Still for inside don't know they happen for inside pay I carry now enter the quarter where you can say a man. I do that side here for Yahoo the sun don't happen for the according to the chuchu way they come up for that side. They go meet us some person a die body. Them say the person don't quarter for on top train rota. So just now, no man don't know what I say they don't quarter the person go try for it. On this channel because nothing that would ever do on that side for Yahoo. When they quarter person, they will carry in a go eman for on top train. So I may be as what you say na train a jamama. Still for inside don't know they happen for inside pay a carry una enter back for that side for dollar we pass go for inside the quarter where they can say wait. Bonabasem, to that side for Daido Chuchu. I talk say this today Sunday. So as put them inside church, they prayer, they holla, they break yoke them, they do kind by kind prayer them for cast and bind up principalities and powers in high places. Now as put they pray as the one go talk say amen for say I receive my breakthrough. Now I some camion with the thing work at the carry sand. The one see the thing broke church house where they enter for side for speed. Now a pastor now he turn gymnastic, he fly with the church member them, they jump go now for go show and say what the camion, the chain if break. The good thing is what you say no person quarrel. So one talks we say we thank God for this miracle. If not, you for year now say what you say and done for happen. A man you say church day with the picking them, bad them, mommy them, how they for take and for run. Now only God for heaven, he make and say what you say. Person quarrel for inside this church. Inside Njari Bade happen for inside Peyi, a carry when I will enter for that site for Douala Chuchu. I talk to what you say. This small gun there so now you party man, I be that this small boy. Damn say two Gen Z them when they work at the food themselves they dey for inside lovey. Now you wear chuchu now and dig not come out for inside quarter they talk they go tell this small gun there say what you say the party man he gets on different gun there them when they work at do ministry work to them now they gun there come out they go tell this small boy say what you say yeah and they already bother say they know say they inside matter for lovey again. Now with this small boy, he try by every way possible for convince this girl so that yeah, the physical continue the function. The small girl tells you what you say, he don't already move your hand and wash and for inside side with anything concerning ministry work with them too. He did the boy beg, the girl no hear. One time the boy he go find knife. As he bring the knife, he chook this small girl with the chook him, the king fall for down a quarrel. Just now, the small boy don't enter for inside Songo. He go for side where no man don't know. As now they talk to now they don't open out the investigate. They talk we see they must catch that small boy. Any player where he enter, they line up inside hole, they go enter inside that hole, even if inside boxing for more, they go enter for inside the movie, can show they read pepper for inside casting go whipping. Inside Dondo, they happen for inside Peyi. I carry when I will enter for that side for North. I'm saying Garwa side. Chuchu. A talks with you. Say they go meet up back where they don't tie them. Them say Makuta back long, but they kind of start where they move right self. It's around that kind of 50 kg back. Long one way they don't tie them. Tram for some lamido a backside for that side. They want to open back. They see a person, a human part them. Them say head, food them, belly, intestine anyway. They don't tie them, throw them for the till now. They don't know who way they don't tear and try inside that back or who even quarter person can't keep them for the kind of way. Sabi say the way will they inside no man even know what will happen. Now then don't them done way yes we turn and say one goes now so the matter it don't be. Inside Buruburu, then it happen inside Peyi, I carry when I enter that side there for far north region. Chuchu, they talk to the same men them for Boko, the enter for yesterday night, oh, they enter for inside the play, they call and say, what Hova, Koza, and Mayo Moscota. That means as they enter, so that means a serious danger. Domo, they just train knife them, bow and arrow them, just the fire gun them. Anyhow, last now, 3 people with the quaram. After the quarrel, then they come out, they enter Susongo they go na go. So I say for that side, men them for Boko, the danger, well, they just come out, you can act. As they can act to pa, they vanish. When they come out, they can act, quarrel for them, thief, until they carry cow, until they kidnap. Their own, it don't too much for up that side for far north and down there in Marwa. They don't say the thing, you're bad now for bad, for up that side. Tori inside Tori, a carry when I will enter for that side for Burkina Faso, who meet up Captain Ibrahim Traore in a government just now, the name for the company where they call which is Total Energies. The man don't buy all the company all for inside Burkina Faso, then it tear French companies which pack una kako them una go. So just now the name it don't turn into Baka Energies. I say inside plenty pay them. This Total Energies is still there for them, but Captain Ibrahim Traore don't talk about you say you don't need them for inside Burkina Faso again because they don't talk about you, they don't carry plenty billion them for plenty year them they carry and go and they don't do no good thing inside Burkina Faso they did there. Tori inside Tori, I carry now enter that side there for Venezuela. Sometimes I can't tell when say some earthquake happen for that side. Last, the thing it don't worse now for worse. According to the chuchu, around 1,500 people they don't already quarrel. Meanwhile, the people there for rescue of that side they see struggle for see look around they see another one they see death inside ground way houses them it don't collapse so it don't broke a burial. My people, I will leave the Tori for any chuchu come up inside quarter. I will bring that so still with chakaram. Remember, I say what update now back to back. Shake no day water olive stone.